Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Narayan PO online classes. One more important point. On 14th, your seniors batch results was out. In that, our science student scored 585. This is a campus highest mark. And come to subject wise, come to physics. In physics, your seniors scored 2 out of out and 399s. So for you, I am giving the target. Not only my target, you also try for more than 2 centers. Clear? Now come to synopsis. In the last video, we have seen 3 equations. I explained and I written 3 equations to remember. One is the force, electrostatic force equation, electric field equation, and electric potential equation. Now, electric potential energy. So, in electric potential, we have done an electric potential definition. By using potential definition, we written the equation V is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R. So, we are doing work in that. We have done work. That work stored in the form of energy. That we call it as energy or electrostatic potential energy. So, let us say capital Q is a charge at a distance r. The potential is V is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q by R. Clear? To know this potential, we brought one charge, we place here at a distance r, small q. Then potential energy between these two, electrostatic potential energy, these two will be, we will write W is equal to VQ. V is the potential of capital Q at a distance r. Then this we will write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by R. This is only V, and we brought charge Q, so capital Q. So this is the potential energy between two charges. Suppose we have 3 charges. Let us say I place. We have let us say take Q1 charge here. Now at a distance R, potential of this charge is V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. Suppose if you place a charge, another charge Q2, then potential energy between these two, we will write U12 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Now in this region, how many charges are there? 2 charges are there. Clear? If you take another point in this space, here the possibility 2 potentials, potential due to Q1, potential due to Q2. Let us say this distance, if you take it R1 and this distance is R2. Suppose if you place another charge Q3 here. So we need to do what against these 2 potentials. Clear? Now potential energy be possible potential energy between Q1 and Q3 and Q2 and Q3, we will write like this. First U13 is 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q1 and Q3 by what is the distance between these two? R1. And next potential energy between Q charge 2 and 3, 1 by 4 by epsilon naught Q2 Q3 by R2. Clear? First I taken Q1, we brought Q2 near to Q1. We have done work. So first potential energy possible between Q1 and Q2. That equation I have written here. Clear? Next, in this region I brought another charge Q3. I have done work against Q1 and Q2, so that potential energy stored between these two. I mean Q1, Q3 as well as Q2 and Q3. So I written potential energy between 1 and 3, this equation. Potential energy 2 and 3 is this equation. Now how many charges are there in this region? 3 charges. Now the potential energy of the system of charges is U is equal to U12 plus U13 plus U23. Clear? You add up 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q3 by R1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 by R2. So very simple combinations and their distance. Q1 Q2 one combination, distance Q1 Q2 by R. Next another combination Q1 Q3 distance, Q1 Q3 distance. Next Q2 Q3 distance. Clear? So for potential energy we will take all possible combinations. Clear? And now another, see, suppose see this example, how to apply this formula. Example problem 13. They given triangle. They place Q here. 3 charges placed at the corners. Clear? Distance they given D, and they ask first they ask the electric potential. Clear? Or how do you write not electric potential? How do we write the potential energy of this system of charges? Clear? So you take this as Q1, this as Q2 and Q3. Potential energy of the system of charges. So how do we write? According to this formula, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 by R. I need distance between them R1, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 Q3 by R2. So this I can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. First combination is what? Q1 Q2. So Q1 and Q2. So both are same magnitude, so this is Q square. What is the distance between these two? D. Plus next combination 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Next combination is Q1 Q3. Q1 and Q3 magnitude are same, then this is Q square. What is the distance between them? D. Plus next combination Q2 Q3, then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by, same magnitude, so this is Q square by D. All are same, this we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 3 Q square by D. Understand? Clear? Suppose if you have if they give the system of charges like this Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. In this case, how many possibles are? If they ask the potential energy of the system of charges, then you take possible combinations. How many are there? Q1, Q2. Next, let us say distance. Let us say R, and R. What is the distance between Q1 and Q2? So for Q1, Q2 distance is R. Next possible combination Q2, Q4. Q2. Q4. What is the distance between them? Q1 and Q4 is R. Next, Q4 and Q3. Q4 and Q3. What is the distance between Q4 and Q3? Is R. Next, Q1 and Q3. What is the distance? R. Distance between them is R. Now Q1 Q2 one combination, Q2 Q4 one combination. Don't take in Q4 and Q2 another combination. Clear? Q2 Q4 or Q4 Q2 both are same. Q4 and Q3 one combination, Q3 and Q1 combination, and two more combinations are possible. One is Q1 and Q4 diagonal distance root 2 R, and another combination Q3 and Q4 root 2 R. So another remaining two combinations are Q1 Q4 by, for this Q1 and Q4 for this distance is root 2 R, and next Q2 and Q3 distance is root 2 R. So write one equation for this, write equation and add all, then you will get the equation for the system of charges. And for the same combination, if they ask what is the potential of these three charges at the center, if they ask potential at this center, potential is a scalar quantity, so you can add all potentials. See, potential energy is different, potential is different. Clear? Potential energy we will find combinations, potential we will have only single charge. So how many charges are there here? Three charges. Q1 contribute potential here, Q2, Q3. So at the center, let us say this distance C, this is Q1, Q2, Q3. If they ask potential at the center, then how many potentials are possible? Total potential is equal to potential due to first charge, potential due to second charge, potential due to third charge. Potential V1 means potential due to first charge at the center of the triangle. Clear? Then the distance between center to corner, this is d by root 3. Clear? What is that? D by root 3. Then potential due to first charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by d by root 3. Similarly, V2 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught d by root 3, and V3 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught d by root 3. Clear? If it is one, all are positive, I take a positive. Clear? Positive, you take positive. If any one charge is negative, there you take a negative. Sorry, here I written wrong. This is Q2 by d by root 3, and here Q3 by d by root 3. So the total potential we can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by d by root 3 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by d by root 3 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 by d by root 3. Clear? So in the system of charges, for potential and potential energy, I taken all are positive charges. Clear? Suppose in this case, potential case, if the charge Q3 is negative, in that case, what to do? You just change the sign. That's all. Suppose come to potential energy. Let us say Q3 is negative. Let us say Q3 is negative. What are the Q3 combinations? Q1, Q3 is there, second term. So plus Q into minus Q. Let us say this is minus plus Q into minus Q. Minus Q square, and this term will become minus. And here also Q3 involves. Am I correct? Q2 and Q3. Again this term will be minus. If plus is there, all are plus. If any one charge is negative, then we will take negative. Clear?